another week, another video. Welcome back here on my channel and welcome to the second part of my Matchbox 5-pack unboxing. I bought 6 of these 5-packs and last time you saw the first 3 packs. Now, kind of the second wave. I bought these packs for €5 each at Aldi Süd here in Bavaria in Germany, and €5 is a fair price for these cars. And I bought these 5 packs that I normally don't buy because it's very hard at the moment to get your hands on single packs. Anyway, let's get right into this. And you can see 3 packs. We have the Japan Tourist, the Electric Drivers and the City Drivers. And the first thing you notice is the one in the middle has this inner piece where the cars sit in. That is made of cardboard. On the other two it's plastic as usual, and I have no idea, to be honest, if that is something they only do to show their environmental engagement in this electric drivers pack, or maybe this is something Matchbox is going to do with all the future or the 5 packs they will bring in the future. I have no idea. So, but anyway, we start with this one here. Let's bring the camera down. The City Drivers. Let's get this thing out. Yeah, normally you don't see any new castings in these packs. Sometimes these are complete re-releases, sometimes you get a new deco. So the first one is this one here, a car that you won't see on European roads very often. Typical car in the US, the 2015 Chrysler 300, a cool casting in my opinion, nice tempos on the front, a cool grille, nice headlights, taillights on the back. I also like the livery, a nice blue paint job. Yeah, nothing too special, but all in all, a cool and licensed model. So let's go on with this one here. Toyota Prius, this time in Speedy Express deco. Has deco on the side. Unfortunately, nothing on the front, but yeah. It is how it is, nothing on the back. Yeah. Last time we've seen this guy here, the other Prius in this ride-sharing, Uber, deco, whatever. And as you can see in the background, there is another Prius in New York City taxi deco. So let's get the Prius into parking position, put this one away. And let's go on with this one here, the Volvo V60. I would say this is one of my favorites from from these packages. Yeah, I'm a big fan of station wagons, and these Volvos often do look very good. Also this V60, I always like these rims. I think they match the car very good. We have tempos on the back, license plate says V60, and nice tempos on the front. Yes. And we go on with that 2016 Fiat 500 X. Well, this is a type of car I'm not really excited about in reality, because I don't like it when you tune up such a small cute car into kind of a SUV or kind of off-road vehicle. Yeah, not my type of thing. Anyway, this is a cute casting. Nice, yeah, I think it's a pearl white livery. Comes with a roof rack, tempos on the front, and the Fiat logo on the grille. And nothing. Thought there was kind of a stain on the bumper. Yeah, this, as you can see, we have a black plastic base, and then this gray surrounding bumpers. It's okay. And the last one from this 5-pack is this one here, the Matchbox service truck. So seems like this one has no interior, but it comes with a golden metal base. The rest is plastic. No opening parts for sure. I mean, this yeah. So this is dressed up as a food, or designed as a food truck. But I mean, the livery does look very similar to this Uber thing here. Also, the rims, if you compare them. Yeah. Yeah, to me it looks like more, yeah, these security transporters for money that bring your money from, I don't know, the shop to the bank, something like that. Anyway, it's okay. So now let's go on with the electric drivers that come in this cardboard thing. Let's start from the top. Once again, Toyota Prius in taxi version, yellow this time, New York taxi. Does that say here on the back? Matchbox loves New York City. Yeah. These are the details that I really like on these cars. Sometimes you have some stuff in the bed of a truck or something cute like this kind of sticker here. Matchbox loves NYC. I think it's kind of cute. No decals on the front and on the back as expected, but on the side, yeah. I think this one also does look very cool. So let's put the camera to the side a little. And we go on with the BMW i3 from 2015. Yeah, I really do like this car, when BMW presented it. For me, kind of, or really, yeah, a real innovation. Brave to bring out such a car in a time when many of the other manufacturers didn't produce electric cars, or I mean, there was also a version with a range extender. I don't know if it's still produced, but anyway, I think it's really, really cool. In a black with these blue yeah, details here, as you can see on the side and on the grille. Nice headlights. This cream interior is very nice, and it's, in my opinion, it's it looks very detailed. We also have a sunroof. Details on the back, the BMW logo. So I think this one is the best so far. Also better than the Volvo. Let's go on with the Honda Insight from 2010. Does the license plate say? Oh, hard to say. I can't read it. We got tempos on the back, Nice tempos on the front. And yeah, this is a really cool blue color, but the car, as you can see, yeah, has some, I don't know what that is, scratches on the roof. Yeah, that is a little bit unfortunate. Anyway, into parking position, and we are on with the International eStar. So this is yeah, a little truck for mobile charging with a nice deco on the side. Metal base, the rest is plastic for sure. No interior. But this is also neat, and as I said last time, I'm getting more and more into these unlicensed models, especially when they are not yeah, fantasy cars or extreme fantasy cars, as Hot Wheels often has. I mean, these are kind of neat. Into parking position, and the last one, 2018 Nissan Leaf. Yeah. I think this one, oh, it has no interior. Leaf license plate, nice details on the back. And on the front, all in all, this, in reality, this is not one of my favorite cars, not one of the most beautiful cars in the world, in my opinion. Anyway, nice color and a nice Matchbox model. So, we have one package left, the Japan Tourers. And the first one, oh, bring the camera down, like this. So the first one is the 2017 Honda Civic Hatchback. And yeah, that is a re-release. Let's park it for a second and let me get the other one. Here it is. This one is from a single pack. And let's do a little comparison, I think. Yeah, these are exactly the same. Well, I can see no differences. Honda license plate, not one of my favorite models. Let's go on with the 2007 Subaru Impreza WRX in police deco. So this is obviously no police deco from the real world. And if you look closely down here, it says Matchbox Metro Police Department. Yeah, I don't know. So this one, to be honest, looks a little bit too much like a kid's toy car for me. Well, you can say all Matchbox are for kids for sure. But yeah, I'm more into these real world liveries. So, another car that you won't see on European or German roads, the Infiniti G37 Coupe from 2010. Yeah. I think it's a nice casting, but not the car, not my cup of tea. So we go right to this one here, the 1970 Datsun 510 Rally. In the last time, I think we've seen a lot of these 510s. And to be honest, for me, this is the first time that I see this guy here with this really cool rally deco and this roof rack with a lot of stuff on it. We got a spare tire, jerry can and some luggage. We got build sign and Matchbox deco here on the trunk number 9. And look at this hood with all these this mud splashed on the hood. Nothing on the side, nothing on the back. But from the top, this car is really cool. I really like it. And I also think these small disc wheels, they match this car very well. Really cool. So now let's finish this up with the 1962 Nissan Junior. As I'm always saying, I'm not too much into these 50s and 60s cars, but this one here, I really like the color and I also like the deco. Here on the side in red, white and blue, and here on the back you can see it says Junior and Matchbox. So this time nothing in the bed of the truck. So I guess this one would look better if it had a chrome base, as most of these cars. Anyway, also a neat casting. So let's take a look at all the 15 cars from these 3 5-packs. And what should I say? I would say my favorite is this one here, BMW i3. Really cool. So that's it for today's video. I say thanks for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye.